Miro and Mural are two popular digital collaboration platforms used for remote team meetings, brainstorming sessions, and project planning. When it comes to choosing between Miro and Mural, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. First, let's start with Miro. Miro is a cloud-based platform that offers a wide range of templates and tools for various use cases, including product development, marketing, and design. It is highly customizable, allowing users to create their own templates and workflows. Miro also has a user-friendly interface and supports real-time collaboration, making it easy for teams to work together remotely. On the other hand, Mural is a digital workspace that focuses on visual collaboration and facilitation. It offers a range of templates and tools specifically designed for workshops, meetings, and brainstorming sessions. Mural is known for its ease of use and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to create and facilitate collaborative sessions. In terms of features, both Miro and Mural offer similar functionalities, including virtual whiteboards, sticky notes, and collaboration tools. However, Miro has a more extensive range of integrations with third-party apps, including Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. Mural, on the other hand, has a stronger focus on facilitation and offers a range of features specifically designed for workshop facilitators. When it comes to pricing, both Miro and Mural offer free plans, as well as paid plans with additional features and support. Miro's paid plans start at around $8 per user per month, while Mural's paid plans start at around $12 per user per month. Ultimately, the choice between Miro and Mural depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a highly customizable platform with a wide range of templates and tools, Miro may be the better choice. If you're looking for a platform that is specifically designed for visual collaboration and facilitation, Mural may be the better choice. Best practices for using either platform include starting with a clear goal or objective, using the built-in templates and tools to guide your collaboration, and establishing clear roles and responsibilities for each team member. By following these best practices and choosing the platform that best fits your needs, you can unlock the full potential of digital collaboration and achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively.